and welcome back to my channel, Living in Columbus, Ohio. My video today is going to be about selling an inherited home. If you have come across and have inherited a home, this can be a complex and an emotional experience for all families. But once that initial shock has settled, it's time to think about what comes next. And I'm going to make this process as smooth as possible for you. Selling an inherited home can involve several steps and considerations. First, what we'll need to do is gather up all the necessary paperwork, including the will, the deed, and any relevant financial document. Okay, our next step is we're going to have to determine the value of the property by getting a professional appraisal. This appraisal is going to determine what the home will sell for. Now, I'll be able to help navigate you through a market evaluation for you, but however, an attorney and a probate officer or probate courts like to have a professional appraisal in their hands. Now, we're going to work closely with the attorney and as well as the title company to make sure the home is clear of all liens and debts on the property. Then what we're going to need to do, if this home still has personal items in the home, what we're going to need to do is allow time for each family member to select items that they intend to keep. This could be time consuming and a very emotional part, but we'll be there to help you and help you navigate through this process as well. The items that family members may not want, you may need to sell, recycle, or donate some of these items. Think of this as a type of downsizing. Yes, things are going to be left behind and you're going to go through those and they're going to bring back many memories. You're going to want to keep those items and cherish them forever. Okay, there are a couple ways that we can actually sell your home. One would be an auction. This could also help with those unwanted items that are going to still remain in the home. They can do an auction to get rid of those as well. Or number two, selling it on an open market. This will require you to hire a real estate agent like me to help you through the process. Selling an inherited home can be a challenging process, but with careful planning and support of all your loved ones, I can assure you that we will navigate through this successfully. After the home sale and the funds have been dispersed, you may be thinking, what's next? The benefactors who receive these funds from the home sale, they're still going to need to pay your friend and ours, Uncle Sam. Selling an inherited home does not exclude you from paying taxes. Keep in mind that up to $250,000 of any gain from the sale received by any single homeowner is taxable or tax-free. For a married homeowner filing jointly, it's up to $500,000 of any initial gain that would be excluded from your income. Hey, I am Annette Marble, your favorite Central Ohio real estate agent in and around Columbus, Ohio. If you'd like to learn more about how to sell an inherited home, please reach out to me with any questions, any concerns. I'm always here and happy to help. Reach out to get your free guide. Oh, it's upside down. Get your free guide of selling an inherited house book. And also I have a breakdown of the probate process. So if you'd like a free guide on that as well, I might have a copy of that and put that in the link below. So check that out first. If this is the first time to this channel and you want to know everything about eating, sleeping, working, playing, the good, the bad of living in and around Central Ohio, then please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you could be one of the first to know about the current market and living in Columbus, Ohio. Like my videos and give me some thumbs up and hit that like button. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to make that move to Columbus, Ohio, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're thinking of moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you make that smooth move to Central Ohio or any of the suburbs around Central Ohio. We're here and we are your go-to team to help. And don't forget, we're always in and around Columbus, Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.